Hello students, so today we are going to study chapter number 12, that is formatting data in spreadsheet. In this video we will discuss about the different formatting methods and what are the common formatting tools and how to apply all these formatting tools in detail. So first have a look about formatting worksheet. So what is the meaning of formatting? Formatting helps to enhance the overall look of our worksheet. Suppose we have entered data in our worksheet in any spreadsheet, then we have to make this spreadsheet attractive. And so we can use different formatting options. For example, we can change the text alignment, we can change font, color, size, styles of the text, etc. etc. So this is the meaning of formatting a worksheet and the purpose of formatting a worksheet. Now what are the common formatting tools that are applied generally? For example, we can change the font size, we can change font name, we can make the font bold or underline, we can merge two cells, we can set alignment of the text, and we can set alignment as number, or we can format different options also. So these are the common formatting tools in any spreadsheet or in any worksheet that we can apply. Okay, now the whole formatting in this chapter will be done with the help of a dialog box that is called format cells dialog box, that is called as format cells dialog box. So now formatting a range of cells with decimal places. The first type of formatting that we are going to do is decimal place formatting. For example, we are having a number, decimal number. In that decimal number there can be many number of decimal places. So as you can see in Excel, by default a number format is general. The format of number is general. It means that it can show as many number of decimal places as we can. Okay, so we can use as many number of decimal places as required. The most important thing to be remembered in this formatting is that the format change does not change the actual value. Means the value that is stored in the memory of computer will not change by applying the formatting. The only outer appearance of the cell is changed, but not the actual value. So we can perform any type of formatting on the number without changing its original value. Now formatting in sample data. How to format decimal places? We can follow these steps. So first of all, select the cell or range of cells to be formatted or the formatting to be performed. We can apply on the single cell this formatting option, or the group of cells, or that is called as range of cells. Now the second step, we have to click on format button. This format button will be in the cells group on the home tab. When we click on the home tab, then we'll go to the cells group and then we find format button. Now select the format cells option from the drop down list. Then choose format cells option from the drop down list. Then the format cells dialog box appears on the screen. We will have or see the format cells dialog box. In that dialog box we can see we will have by default the number tab is selected. Okay, now we can select number option, and in the decimal place option we can select the number of decimal places that we want to display in data. For example, we want to display data with 2 decimal places. Then we can place sorry we can place as many number of decimal places as we like. For example, we need only 2 decimal places, then we can select value 2, then the decimal places in the number will be 2 now. This will be applied on the complete cells or on a particular cell on which we are applying the formatting option. After that, click OK. Now the steps are to format decimal places in our sample data. Now the next, formatting a range of cells as labels. What is the meaning of formatting a range of cells as labels? It means, for example, we can have different kinds of number. For example, suppose we are having a phone number, we are having roll numbers, pin codes, area codes, etc., etc. So these numbers are a little bit different numbers. Why? Because we do not apply or perform the common arithmetic operations on these numbers. For example, we don't want to add 2 mobile numbers. We don't want to multiply 2 roll numbers in any case. So if we have entered this kind of data or numbers in Excel sheet, then by applying the formula, any arithmetic calculation can be performed. So to prevent this kind of calculations or this kind of arithmetic operations, we can apply formatting on these cells or on the numbers where on the cells where these numbers are stored. So this formatting is to make the cells as text. To do it, we can apply the following steps. So first of all, select the range of cells to be formatted as labels. First select the range of cells, then right click on it and select format cells option. After right clicking, we will get format cells option. Now the format cells dialog box will appear once again, and click on number tab. After that, select text under the category section and then click OK. So by applying these steps, we can convert any data into text. We can treat this data as text now. So now no kind of calculation will be performed on this data. Now this data will be treated as text. Now next is formatting a range of cells as scientific. So this is the another method in which we can format cells or range of cells as scientific. For example, we are having any number. In last you can see this is 0.0008 times 0 and 14, or it can be 19. So we can write this in form of scientific notation. For example, 1.9 or 1.4 and 10 to the power minus 9. So this is the scientific notation. If we want to display these kinds of notation or format in the cell, then we can apply formatting range of cells as scientific. So these are the steps that will be followed to perform or to format this kind of data. So first select the range of cells to be formatted as labels. First of all, we will have to follow the same steps. First select the range of cells to be formatted as labels. Now right click and select format cells option. We will use format cells option, and then format cell dialog box will appear once again. After that, we will click on number tab. Once again, we will choose scientific from the category section and then click OK. Now the whole range or the specific cell will be formatted as scientific. Okay. For example, I have shown you earlier, this data will be converted as like this. Okay. So this is formatting a range of cells as scientific. Next is formatting alignment of a cell. So what is the meaning of formatting alignment of a cell? As we have studied the alignment in MS Word, in the same way we can apply the alignment in a cell. So there are two kinds of alignments. First is horizontal alignment and second is vertical alignment here. In horizontal alignment you can see left, center, right, fill and justified. And in the vertical alignment you can have top, center and bottom alignments. Okay. So we can apply any of the alignment, either horizontal or vertical. To apply the alignment, follow these steps. First of all, select the cell or range of cells to be aligned. Then right click on it and select the format cells option. The format cells dialog box will open. After that, click on the alignment tab. Then select the desired horizontal alignment from the horizontal drop down. So we can apply any kind of formatting, or we can apply different kinds of alignments in a data. For example, we can choose horizontal alignment. We can either choose the vertical alignment also. Okay. So as you can see, the horizontal alignments are left, center, right, fill and justified, and vertical alignments are top, center and bottom alignments. Now we come to the next topic, that is fill handle. So what is the meaning of fill handle? There are two kinds of fill handle that we can apply either on data or we can apply it on the formulas. Suppose we are having any Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, suppose we have some repetitive data. For example, this is a column and in this column we have data, for example 2 and 4. Now the next data can be entered automatically in the below cells. So how can we do it? Now select these two cells, then bring the pointer over here. Then this pointer will be changed to plus symbol. Now drag it downward. Then we can see data automatically appears in the below cells. For example, here 6, here 8, here 10, etc., etc. will appear itself. So this is called as fill handle. Why this data has been filled like this? Because there is a gap between 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So there is a plus 2 increment in each cell. So Excel recognizes this kind of repetition and can apply or fill the data automatically based on the pattern. So this is called as fill handle of data. This is in the case of data. Okay. Now for example, this repetition can be of text also. For example, we have Sunday or Monday in two cells. Then just by using the fill handle, once again just by dragging it over here to downward, all the days will appear automatically. For example, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc., etc. will appear itself. And same can be applied with the month's name, etc. Okay. And it can also be applied on the even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It can be applied with the odd numbers, etc., etc. Okay. It can be applied with any fixed number of patterns or a repetition. So this is called as fill handle on data, and this fill handle can also be applied on formulas. How? Suppose this is the first, you can see first column, second column and third column. So we are having any specific data in first column and second column and third column, fourth column, third, fourth cell and next cell also. Suppose we need total. Okay, we need total in this cell in C. So what we can do, we can apply here a formula equal to A1 plus B1. Okay, now just by pressing the enter key, the result 6 will be displayed here. Okay, 6 will be displayed here. So to do it, we can also add these two digits, these two cells A2 and B2 here, and same we can add A3 and B3. Okay, but if we can use here the fill handle, if we apply fill handle here, then the formula will be copied automatically and the result will be displayed automatically. Okay, so this is, it means that formula can also be copied with the help of fill handle. If we are applying fill handle, then the formula will also be applied. We don't need to write formula again and again, it will be copied itself with the help of fill handle.